Alright, welcome guys. So in this training video, I'm going to be showing you some important features that you need to know on your Amazon Kindle publishing platform. So now I'm back to my Chrome browser. Like I said in the previous videos that it's recommended that you use your Chrome browser to manage your KDP account. So this is my Chrome browser. Now while using your Chrome browser to do some research on your KDP account, now it is advisable for you to use the Ignito mode on your Chrome browser. So this is the Ignito window. Sorry for the pronunciation, guys. Ignito window that you're going to be using for your basic research on KDP. Now the alternative to using this is to actually use a web browser called Epic Browser. Now you can use a web browser called Epic Browser where you have to change your IP address to the United States so that you'll be able to see all the features on Amazon. But instead of going through that, the easy way is just to come use the Ignito window on your Chrome browser, so you don't have to go and use Epic Browser to change your IP address. Now the reasons why we are doing this is basically for us to be able to see all the features on the Amazon platform. Now because we are not from the US, we are outside the US. Now by default there are some features that are not available to people that are outside the US on the Amazon platform. Alright, so that is why we have to access the website through the Ignito windows or using the Epic browser and the IP thing. So just click on new Ignito window. So once you click on new Ignito window on your Chrome browser, everybody has this. So this is the Ignito window, guys. So all you have to do here is click on, just follow me and click on Amazon. Just search for Amazon non-fiction best sellers. Guys, come to the search bar and click on Amazon non-fiction best sellers. Amazon non-fiction best sellers. Click on search. Then on the first Amazon Kindle, guys, it is Amazon Kindle non-fiction bestsellers. So click on search Amazon Kindle non-fiction bestsellers, guys. All right, so click on the second one, Amazon bestsellers. Click on the second one. Okay, go back to the search bar, come to this first one, guys, this first one. So immediately you put in Amazon Kindle non-fiction bestsellers. Click on this first button here, this first good. So that's the first button that you are going to click on, guys. So alternatively, I'm going to leave this link that I highlighted. I'm going to leave it in the videos download section so that you can just click on it immediately you want to come and do any research on Amazon, guys. So immediately you want to come and do any research on Amazon, just go through this process again. Go to Google, type in Amazon Kindle non-fiction, Amazon Kindle non-fiction bestsellers. Click on it, then click on this first tab here. Click on this first tab here, then it will bring you to this place where we are going to be doing the research and everything we want to do concerning our books. Right, so once you get here, now the first thing you have to do is to come and change this deliver to Nigeria. So if you are not from if you are in Nigeria, right, guys, if you're in Nigeria, you have to come and change this deliver to Nigeria. So just come here and type in 1001 here. and click on apply. Okay, 1001, that's a random US zip code that I just inputted. And as you can see here, we will use the selected location to show you products from the United States. So you are going to access the dashboard as if we are in the US. Now again, this is applicable to people that are not in the US. If you are outside the US, you have to do this so that you can see all the features on your Amazon Kindle account, guys. So just click on continue. As you can see, you now have delivered to New York. You have delivered to New York here. So guys, let's just quickly go through this. Now, as you can see, we have Amazon bestsellers, our most popular products based on sales, and this bestseller dashboard is usually updated every hour. Now, if you come down here, now look at this, bestsellers in non-fictions. So these are the top 100 best-selling books on Amazon right now, guys. So we have 50, the first 50 on the first page. Best-selling books in the world on Amazon right now. These are the books. This is the first books, best-selling books, guys. I made a lot of money selling this books in particular. This number one. I'm going to show you in the creation method. I'm going to be explaining the creation method. So the creation method one that I used for this book, it made me a lot of money. All right, so this is book one, American Marxism. This is the book. This is the name of the author. These are the reviews. Now this is the price of the book, $14.99. Sorry, $14.99. Now this is number 5 in Kindle store. Then this is the ASIN number of the book. Now each books, immediately you upload your books and it has been approved on Amazon, Amazon is going to assign an ASIN number to your book. So your book is going to get an ASI number. Each of your books would have its own separate ASIN number, right? So again, so this is the book title. This is number 1 best-selling books. This is the number 2. See the title. I alone can fix it. This is the number 3 bestseller. Look at the prices, guys. This is $14.99. This is $15.99. This is $4.99. This is number 4, $15.99, $14.99. Number 6, like that. You keep coming down. These are the best-selling books on Amazon. Now, guys, when I was talking about the 2 extensions that we need to install on Amazon, on Google Chrome the other time, this extension, guys, the AMZ Suggestion Expander and the DS Amazon Quick View Expander. Now, you are going to see the function of this extension here. Now, immediately you install those extensions here, guys, you have to enable them for the Ignito mode. Let me repeat that. You have to enable this 2 extension for the Ignito mode. So what it means is that you have to give the extension permission for them to show on this Google Ignito mode. That is what it means, guys. So let me show you how you can do that. So if you click on here, let's assume you just installed this extension. You click on these details. Now on the details, you come down, you see something like allow in Ignito. Now you see that I have checked this button, so you have to click this button, allow in Ignito. So once you click this button, it will now start showing and start displaying on this Ignito mode, guys. So that is how to go about it. So you do that for the second extension to DS Amazon Quick View. Look at the details. You come down to the details, then you click on this allow in Ignito so that it can also start showing in Ignito. So once you click on that, so now because we've actually installed the 2, so Now, if you click on this book now, don't if you put your cursor on this book, as you can see, I've not clicked on it, you see that automatically it popped out the details of the book. It popped out the details of the book. Now, why am I able to see this? I'm able to see this because I have installed the 2 extension. Now, if you don't install the 2 extension and you want to see the full details of this book, what you have to do is to right click this book. You have to right click this book. So immediately you right click this book, you now have to manually come and check all the details on the book. But if you want to bypass the manual process of checking the details of each book, you have to install these 2 extensions, so that from here, just by putting the mouse button here, you're not clicking on anything, guys. It's going to quickly show you all the important details that you need to see in this book. Now, what's the important details that you need to see in this book? You have to check the publication date. When was this book published? July 13, 2021. The language, the size, the number of pages of this book. Then, guys, the most important thing that we want to check here is the bestsellers rank. So this book has bestseller rank of number 5 in the Kindle store, number 1 in this category, communism and socialism category, number 1 in politics and social sciences, then number 1 in federal government category. So most importantly, you want to come and check the bestseller rank feature for each of this book. So this book has bestseller rank of number 5. If you check this has bestseller rank of number 6. So now just come back to this. As you can see, this is just the bestseller rank. This is number 5, this is number 6, this is number 8. Bestseller rank, this is number 15. As you can see in the Kindle store, we are in the Kindle store, and this is number 21, this is 37. So this is just where you can actually check for the best-selling books in the Kindle section, guys. So this is 1 to 100. So if you click on this next page, we are going to see the remaining 51 to 100. As you can see, number 51, 52, 53 best-selling books in the world on Amazon Kindle non-fiction category, non-fiction section, guys. So let me scroll down and go back. Let me go back to the previous page. Yeah, so now, guys, as you can see, I want to quickly explain this non-fiction category that you are seeing here. When I typed on Google the other time, I searched for Amazon Kindle. I searched for Amazon Kindle non-fiction bestsellers, right? So these are the top 100 books that are selling in the non-fiction category. Now, in the non-fiction categories, we have different categories in the non-fiction sections. So as you can see, these are the categories. We have the art and photography, biography and memoir, business, investing, computer, cooking, craft, education, engineering. So these are all the categories that we will be working on Amazon Kindle. So if I open this art and photography category, for example, now I will be able to see all the subcategories under this section. Now I opened art and photography main category. Now in this main category, we have subcategories. We have architecture, which is a subcategory under art and photography. We have art, we have dance, we have fashion, graphics, individual artists, music, performing arts, photography and theater. These are the subcategories under art and photography. Again, in the subcategory section, you have the best-selling books in this subcategory section. As you can see, again, this is number 1, number 2, number 3. You come down and you see the best-selling 100 subcategory books in the art and photography section. Again, if I want to niche down, and I click on architecture, for example, guys, clicking on architecture, for example, again, as you can see that we have even some smaller subcategories inside architecture too, guys. See where we are coming from. We are coming from art and photography. Now when we go to art and photography, let me quickly go back and show you something. I clicked on architecture, which is a subcategory under arts and photography. So when I clicked on architecture, again there are some small subcategories under architecture. As you can see, architect AZ, building types, criticism, drawing and modeling, historic preservation, history, and this. Again, these are the top selling 100 books under architecture, guys. So now if I want to go to this architect AZ, for example, let me click on it. Now under architect AZ, for example, I clicked on this. Now you will see that there are we don't have any further subcategories under this architect AZ, meaning that the architect AZ is the last category for this section actually. So these are the best-selling books in the architect AZ category, categories, guys. So now the purpose of this video is just to show you the categories that we have, the categories that we have and explaining the categories that we have and explaining the subcategories and the meaning subcategories in each of the book sections. So that is it. This is the book, the book cover, the title of the book, the name of the author, the reviews, the price of the book, and you can see the bestseller rank of each of this book, guys. So these are the categories under the non-fiction section. If you click on any of these, it will open up and you will see the subcategories, and under each of the subcategories, if you click on any one, it will take you to the smaller subcategories in that main subcategories. So that is the explanation for this video, guys. I'm in the next video I'm still going to show you step by step guide on how you can actually pick one book, start modeling that book. So again, this is just to show you what it looks like. And guys, I want to mention something. We are going to be dealing more on non-fiction books. So that is it for this video. You have a quick overview of how books looks like on Amazon, the pricing, how the book's cover looks like, guys. Notice the cover design for each of these books. You have an idea of the basic settings, the pricing. You can see the different pricing. You can see the title, guys, of the top 100 best-selling books on Amazon. So this video is becoming too long already. So thanks for this video, and I will see you in the next video. See you guys.